whatnot. And then slowly we started to form. Actually, there was the cosmic microwave background radiation era, the recombination era, and then later on we started to make the first stars and galaxies. And true, we do have, if you're asking like, have we seen some really old stars? Then yes, we have. We actually have seen some very metal poor stars, which is another way of saying we've seen some very old stars, because the oldest stars were mainly just hydrogen and helium. They were not metal rich, because to be metal rich, you'd have to go through those processes, live and die as a star, make the next generation of stars, and so on and so forth. So yes, we do have a number of metal poor stars that we've seen and are cataloged. Okay. Crazy says, if it isn't the marvelous tree, how art thou on this brilliant night? I am good. How are you? Did you like the live? Like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, put your comments in the chat. Yeah. So, I mean, again, unless there is some other evidence about the age of the universe, so far we think it's around 14 or 15 billion years old. So, okay. So now, but as far as the metal poor stars go, absolutely we have some in our catalog. We don't have every one of them, I'm sure, but there is some, even in our own galaxy, actually. Isn't it so crazy? We have some stars, I believe, in our halo that are quite old and much, much less rich in metal. Okay. Like we have some older stars in the halo of our own galaxy, which are more metal poor, and they are older. Okay. We also have a ton of dark matter in our halo, which is a topic of active research. You cut off. Can you see my comments? I see this one, crazy sick one. Can everybody hear me and see me okay? I see the one where you said, well, and then I see Acacio, then I see Steven, then I see you again. Bad connection, says crazy sick one. Acacio says perfectly. Yay! Thank you for the feedback. Crazy sick one, it might be your internet. Okay, let's now go on to the next topic, which is going to be this book. Whoops, I spilled. A simple accident often determines the difference between life and death. Whoa. This can occur in art, as in the 1999 film Sliding Doors, where the fact of missing a subway train changes the course of a young woman's future, or in real life, as when a friend of mine missed TWA flight 800 to Paris on July 17, 1996, in order to visit his father in the hospital, and thus avoided incineration in the sky. Oh gosh, the events near the beginning of time that immediately preceded the birth of our atom may seem innocuous enough, but a slight alteration in the initial conditions and atoms and the cosmos as we know it would not exist today. So a slight alteration and we may not be here, okay? Crazy, the swearing type of messages actually get censored by YouTube, but thank you for being here. No worries. No worries. You can figure out your phone and we're still going to be here, okay? Just as fictional heroes from Shakespeare's Hamlet to Heller's